2. Let's learn shapes, here we go. Round and square and triangle too. Shapes are fun for me and you. Circle rolls around and round. Circle wheels go rolling down. Pizza clock and bouncing ball. Circles are the best of all. Square has corners 1, 2, 3, 4. Windows, boxes, and much more. Building blocks and picture frames. Squares are fun in all our games. Triangle has 3 pointy sides, like a slice of pizza pies. Roof on house and party hat. Triangles are where it's at. Shape it up, shape it down. Shapes are spinning all around. Point and count and clap with me. Shapes help us learn happily. Circle, square, triangle, star. Shapes are everywhere we are. Hey, hey, what do you say? Let's learn shapes throughout the day. Rectangle is long and wide. Books and doors are fun to hide. Phone and tablet, ruler too. Rectangles help me and you. Star has points that shine so bright. Twinkling stars light up the night. 5 sharp points that reach up high. Stars dance across the sky. Heart shows love in every way. Hearts make every perfect day. Love for family, love for friends. Heart-shaped love that never ends. Shape it up, shape it down. Shapes are spinning all around. Point and count and clap with me. Shapes help us learn happily. Rectangle, star, heart, so fun. Learning shapes for everyone. Hey, hey, what do you say? Let's learn shapes throughout the day. Diamonds sparkle shiny bright, like a jewel in morning light. 4 sharp corners, special gem. Diamonds are the best of them. Oval looks just like an egg. Mirrors, faces, don't you beg. Round but stretch from side to side. Ovals make us beam with pride. Can you find a circle here? Point to squares that are so near. Hunt for triangles everywhere. Shapes are floating in the air. Look around and you will see shapes in your reality. We learn shapes, we learn them all. Circle, square, and triangle. Rectangle, star, and heart so sweet. Diamond, oval, what a treat. Shape it up, shape it down. We're the smartest kids in town. Circle, square, triangle, star. Shapes are everywhere we are. Trace a circle in the air. Draw a square if you dare. Make a triangle with your hands. Shapes help us understand. When you're playing, when you're free, you can find shapes easily. Thanks for learning. Shape friends, our shape adventure never ends. Circle, square, triangle, heart. We love shapes, they're works of art.